Hey guys, and today, as you can see, I'm on my PC, my newer one, my better one, that at least works properly and fine compared to my old one, right? And records at 1080 60. So indeed, you can see I'm in FSX Steam Edition. Yes, in all my apps here. Okay, I do not know why it keeps stopping. That is very annoying. Right, corkscrew. So I am not in. I'm going to be an airline pilot. Right, I like airlines. So actually, I'm not sure how comfy I am with a 747-400. Oh, yes, I am quite comfy with that as well. So I am quite A321. I don't like to see our disgusting. To Amsterdam. Full of passengers. What right, okay. Fly, an A321. Fine, okay. Rome to Naples, 130 miles. That's nothing. Well, yes, I could, it'll be easier driving than, well, it's bad for the environment. Don't know why. Okay.
I'll handle all radio communication on this flight. Hold short of the runway and I'll get our takeoff clearance. Fiume Tower, orbit 221, ready to go, holding short 16 right.
Orbit 221, cleared for takeoff. Maintain runway heading, climb and maintain 4,000.
Clear for takeoff, orbit 221. Okay.
The problem is that my joystick has a problem when I'm going to take off. It just starts skidding like a car. It's not a race car. It's an aeroplane. It's an A321, the older one, to be precise. Operated by my airline that I normally fly in FSX.
We're cleared for takeoff. Turn on the landing lights and then turn left onto the runway and let's head to Naples. After takeoff, maintain runway heading, climb to maintain 4,000.
4,000? Jesus, no, I'm going to climb to 35,000. Seriously. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, right, where the heck is my rudder? Oh my goodness. Problem is, this has a massive problem. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Please, come on. I can't turn. I can't do this mission with this stupid joystick. This joystick is faulty. Exactly. My god, right, okay. Refly mission. Come on. I want to kill my joystick one day.
I'll handle all radio communication on this flight. Hold short of the runway and I'll get our takeoff clearance. Fiume Tower, orbit 221, ready to go, holding short 16 right.
Orbit 221, cleared for takeoff. Maintain runway heading, climb and maintain 4,000.
Clear for takeoff, orbit 221.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're cleared for takeoff. Turn on the landing lights and then turn left onto the runway and let's head to Naples. After takeoff, maintain runway heading, climb to maintain 4,000. V1, positive rate, gear up. Rotate.
That works.
V2, set flaps 0.
Orbit 221, contact Rome departure on 129.0. Have a nice flight.
Orbit 221, switching to departure, thanks. Rome departure, orbit 221 with you, climbing to 4,000.
Orbit 221, Rome departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 6,000. Proceed direct, Pratica di Mare.
Up to 6,000, direct Pratica di Mare, orbit 221. Let's run through the after takeoff checklist. Landing gear, up. Alright, Captain, climb to 6,000 and fly direct to the Pratica di Mare NDB. Raise the landing gear.
Okay, right, this is going badly. Okay, it's made an awkward.
Flaps, set to 0.
Okay, don't care about my flaps.
Retract the flaps.
The flaps are already retracted, for goodness sake. Gear. Jesus Christ,
We're too far west. Head east to get back on course.
yes, I am.
After takeoff checklist complete.
9. I don't want to crash this aeroplane. Yes.
1,000 to go. Turn the landing lights and the seatbelt sign off. Level off at 11,000 feet and set cruise thrust. Don't exceed 340 knots. Have a look out to the left. There's Rome.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, indicating that it is safe to move about the cabin. For your own safety, though, we request that you keep your seatbelt fastened when you're in your seat during this short flight. We'll start our in-flight beverage service shortly.
Reduce thrust to stay below 340 knots.
Okay.
We're too far west. Head east to get back on course.
Oh my goodness. Nice.
Landmark 63, contact range center on 128.8.
Well,
Landmark 63, switching. Thanks.
okay. Oh. My God. Right. Oh, fall off.
116 with you. Climb back to 3000 to maintain 6000.
We'll travel 116, Rome Centre. Good afternoon. Climb and maintain 1000.
Up to 1000 now. World travel 116.
Okay. Lights. My lights already work. There we go. That's more like it. Okay, what's our altitude? I actually do feel comfy with it. With this controls, to be honest. Mac 0.53 Mac. Lovely. 300. Okay, that's on.
We're crossing over the Pratica to Mari in DB. Turn to a heading of 092 degrees and fly to the Frosinone VOR.
092, I think he said. Simulation rate, aha. Down to 8 times. There we go. That's more light speed. Okay. Come on. What the hell are these ones? Controls, okay. Display. Oh, alright. Throttles, parking. Okay. Flaps. Okay. Good. Interesting. Interesting. West 10270. Oh, geez, no. Now I know how to 5D autopilot. Oh, what's most? Oh no, 10,900. For speed. Oh, it doesn't do anything, but.
crossing over the Frosinone VOR. Turn to a heading of 123 degrees and fly to the Teano VOR.
Okay, just keep at 123. I think that's what we're gonna have to do. 123. Keep everything cruising. Oh, come on. Come on.
From center, Blue Yonder. Any chance we can... Blue Yonder 560. Blue Yonder 560. Direct to Reggio, thanks. Blue Yonder 562.
How? Cruising so fast. You know what? We're gonna cruise.
Emerald Air 329.
Descending to
Emerald Air 329.
124.35 for Emerald Air 329. We'll see you.
See my traffic. We'll see this airplane crash. What? How fast? Oh. Wait, lucky. You got... That's very low, but yeah. Oh. Oh my god, what the hell? The cars are jumping and... Oh. Oh. Oh, nice. Wow. Right. 200. 1500. Very slow. Oh, I can't see his complete control panel. Oh, he's running away from the airport. Oh, it's just nothing. Right. Okay. Right, wants us to move. Oh no. Oh no. A goatee. What the hell's that name? Oh yes, I know what I'm doing. I can just turn left to 090. Okay, lovely. Yes.
Approach landmark.
Landmark 6,
Cleared for the vision.
landmark 68.
Over to tower now. Landmark 618.
Yes, down to 11,000. Okay, right, so that's going to go north.
Orbit 221, turn right head.
Right to 2... We're almost there, Captain. Turn right to 240 degrees and descend to 3,000 feet.
240. What's that? What's Naples? Oh, what's that? Oh, what's this?
assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
Not.
We're below our assigned altitude.
Okay.
Climb to 11,000 feet. We're below our assigned altitude.
Yes, we
Climb
are.
to 11,000 feet.
Next to the right, once it's good. So decrease. Options. Now it's aircraft.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
Come on, give me this landing. Okay, you know what? Simulation ray, I've done this about 1,000 times.
We're below our assigned... We're too far east. Head west to get back on course.
It's oh my goodness, 270.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
Excuse me, I'm flying in aeroplanes.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
What you're doing? Like this.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet. We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
Okay.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet. We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
Problems, I can't put my gear down. So I'm fine. So I'm gonna only make like my speed. See the runway. Sight.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
Orbit 221, contact Naples Tower now on 118.5.
Orbit 221, roger. Naples Tower, orbit 221 on the visual approach for runway 24.
Orbit 221, Naples Tower, wind calm, runway 24, clear to land.
Cleared to land, orbit 221. Okay, we're cleared to land. Lower the landing gear, slowly add full flaps, and reduce your speed to 140 knots for the approach.
Terrain. Oh my god.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
I can't. Seriously, I'm landing. It's only 11,000. No. Okay, right. Oh my god.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
No, I can't. I'm not. Let's see.
Let's run through the before landing checklist. Landing gear, down.
Okay, wrong one.
Flaps, set to
Sync
full.
rate. Pull
Lower full
up.
flaps.
Sync rate.
Okay, we're not gonna land on the runway.
Landing checklist complete.
Okay, good. Does not matter about the flaps. Just land it.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
Done already. Oh, come on. Okay, just keep your okay, nice and simple. Easy now. Oh yeah, that's Naples in Italy. Okay, don't want to end up Pegasing.
Too low.
Terrain.
We're below our assigned altitude.
No, we're not.
Climb to 11,000 feet.
Butter it. Ah! Okay.
Orbit 221, welcome to Naples. Continue rollout, turn left, taxiway Bravo.
Ground on point 9er, orbit 221. Keep taxiing toward the end of the runway. Bravo is the second taxiway from the end. We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
Not. Where is the taxi? That's the buildings.
We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet. We're below our assigned altitude. Climb to 11,000 feet.
That's it.